How to use Expedia Mobile App. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use Expedia Mobile App. Now, Expedia Mobile Apps allow user to book flights, hotels, car rentals, and activity while accessing exclusive member pricing and one key cash reward as well. Basically, what you need is open your app store on your device, type in Expedia and make sure to install the app. After completely installing, you want to make sure to log into your Expedia account or sign in. And there you go, the homepage is gonna look something like this. So here, what you want to do is if you want to go with a booking, if you want hotel, if you want a flight, you have these tabs at the top. If you want a package, you have these. And likewise, the interface, you could see it's a very friendly interface. You could just go ahead and type in the location, date, and then the amount of people that you have it. And that is basically how you're going to use Expedia mobile app. It is as similar as using the web version. If you are familiar with the web version, it is going to be easy for you. And likewise, if you are new to Expedia, then it's also going to be easy for you. As you could see, these are all the tabs allocated, and that is basically how you will be able to use Expedia mobile app. With that being said, we've completed steps. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.